So this is the the problem with my tailgate latch. So when you like open it, you do it like this. See, it doesn't spring back. The problem is that there's a rubber portion in here that actually makes it spring back into the center position. But in this case, I don't know. I think the rubber portion is gone, or maybe there's just so much rust in this that they stick, but I don't think so. I think it's just that the rubber loses its flexibility over time because it's not being used at all. I think it's been probably a very long time since they used the tail latch. So, yep. So it's only be secured by 4 bolts, but you have to like open up the tailgate. You have to remove this trim first, and then it will expose 2 torque screws in here. Take that off, and then this light too. When you take that off, there will be another torque screw here, and then you could take the whole panel. Opening this cover will show one of the torque screws. So you got to pry this thing out from there. Yep. So this thing is exposed, and we're going to take out this portion here. So this whole thing, this latch, I'll take this out, and I think it's one over here and one over here. Yep. So my replacement shows that there's 1 bolt over here, 1 bolt over here, a connector here. There's 2 bolts here under this motor, the wiper motor, and then this one works fine because if I do this, it springs back. Mine doesn't, it just stays there because the rubber here is broken. Yeah, the one thing that makes it go back is the rubber. Mine doesn't have that anymore, so it sticks. So got to remove the bolts for the washer motor, wiper motor. There's 2 10mm bolts there. You have to take them out, and then this one you take them out. Then there's another bolt down there, and this one, and there's the connector.